Today, we are diving into something that sounds like it's straight out of science fiction. We're talking about a breakthrough that takes one of the most annoying creatures on the planet and turns it into a medical hero. This is the story of the mosquito nozzle.
I mean, just let that sink in for a second. The mosquito, our #1 enemy, is now a key player in saving human lives? It sounds absolutely wild, but the science behind it is nothing short of incredible.
Talk about a redemption story, right? We're about to see how this tiny pest, the one we all have a love-hate, well, mostly hate, relationship with, actually holds the key to solving a massive challenge in modern medicine.
And here's the big idea. A 3D printer nozzle that's made from the mouth of a mosquito. This little thing is about to cause a giant leap in a field called bioprinting. Bioprinting is basically what it sounds like, using 3D printers to build biological stuff with living cells. And to really get why this is such a huge deal, we need to look at the problem it solves.
So, what's the big challenge here? Well, bioprinting is seriously difficult. And believe it or not, a huge part of the problem comes down to one tiny, really frustrating component.
Here's the situation for scientists. The bioinks they use are super sticky, which means the nozzles they use right now are constantly getting clogged. On top of that, they're fragile and break all the time. What they really need is a nozzle that's reliable, tough, and affordable. But that last one, affordability, has been a huge roadblock. And when I say huge, I mean it. These fancy, high-precision nozzles can cost hundreds of dollars each. For a part that's known to clog and break all the time, you can see how that cost just explodes, slowing down really important research. There just had to be a better way.
And that better way, well, it came from the last place anyone would think to look. Instead of trying to engineer a better nozzle from scratch in a lab, researchers turned to the best engineer there is, nature.
The answer is the mosquito's proboscis, that little needle-like mouthpart. I mean, this thing is a masterpiece of natural engineering. Its surface has anti-clogging properties, which is perfect for those sticky bioinks. It's also flexible, but somehow strong enough to pierce skin without breaking. It is literally the perfect microneedle. And nature already built it for us.
The precision here is just staggering. The tiny channel inside this proboscis is only 20 micrometers wide. To put that into perspective, that is smaller than a human white blood cell. That's a level of detail that is insanely difficult and expensive to create artificially.
So how do you turn this little piece of nature into high-tech lab equipment? The process is beautifully simple. First, you carefully extract the proboscis. Second, you reinforce it with a special resin to make it strong. And third, you just attach it to the bioprinter. That's it. Such an elegant solution to a really complex problem.
Okay, so the idea is absolutely brilliant. The process is simple, but the real question is, does it work? How does it stack up against the expensive stuff? Let's get to the results, because they are a total game changer. First up, accuracy. The mosquito nozzle was twice as accurate as the expensive commercial nozzles. Not just a little better, double the precision. That means researchers can build things with way finer detail and create much more complex biological structures than they ever could before. Okay, now for the cost. Remember those nozzles that cost hundreds of dollars a pop? This one, inspired by nature, costs just $1. Yep, you heard me right, $1. This just completely shatters the financial barrier that was holding back so many labs and researchers. And maybe the most critical number of all for medicine, cell survival. Because, printing with dead cells is pretty useless. The mosquito nozzle achieved an incredible 86% cell survival rate. So the tissues being printed aren't just accurate, they're alive, healthy, and ready to go. So when you put it all together, the picture is crystal clear. The mosquito nozzle isn't just a tiny improvement. It's drastically cheaper, it's way more accurate, and it keeps more cells alive. It's a massive win on every single front, completely changing the playing field for bioprinting. Now this is way more than just a cool piece of tech. It's a breakthrough that's going to have some pretty profound effects. So what does this actually mean for the future of medicine? It means that starting right now, labs can begin building artificial human tissues better, faster, and cheaper than ever. This is opening a brand new chapter in regenerative medicine. We're talking about the ability to print complex tissues for testing new drugs, for modeling diseases, and maybe one day for creating fully functional replacement organs. That future just got a whole lot closer.
And that brings us right back to the beginning. This quote really says it all, doesn't it? The mosquito, this creature we've spent forever trying to get rid of, has now become a crucial partner in our mission to heal the human body.
It really makes you wonder,
If a solution this brilliant was hiding in plain sight inside one of nature's most common pests, what other revolutionary secrets are just waiting out there for us to find?